Let's expose Omicron risk. Indian government tightens rules for overseas travelers. On 28 November 2021, the Union Health Ministry revised guidelines mandating that all international passengers entering India have to submit 14-day travel details and upload a negative RT-PCR test report conducted within 72 hours prior to the flight on the Air Suvidha portal before the journey. Earlier, on 27 November 2021, after a meeting, the Home Secretary Ajay Balla said the Union government would review the decision on effective date of resumption of scheduled commercial international passengers service as per evolving global scenario, while keeping a closer watch on emerging pandemic situation within the country. At-risk nations identified by the Health Ministry include all European countries including the United Kingdom, South Africa, Brazil, Bangladesh, Botswana, China, Mauritius, New Zealand, Zimbabwe, Singapore, Hong Kong, Israel. Health Ministry's guidelines say travelers from countries at risk will need to take a COVID-19 test post arrival and wait for results at the airport. If tested negative, they have to undergo home quarantine for 7 days, followed by a retest on the 8th day. On arrival, the passengers found to be symptomatic during screening shall be immediately isolated and taken to medical facility as per protocol. If tested positive, their contacts shall be identified and managed as per laid down protocol. Travelers from countries not considered at risk will be allowed to leave the airport and must self-monitor their health for 14 days post-arrival. A subsection, that is 5% of the total flight passengers, will be required to undergo post-arrival testing at random at the airport. Children under 5 years of age are exempted from pre and post-arrival testing. However, if found symptomatic for COVID-19 on arrival or during home quarantine, they shall undergo testing and treated as per laid down protocol. Contacts of the suspect case are the co-passengers seated in the same row, 3 rows in front and 3 rows behind, along the identified cabin crew. Also, all the community contacts of those travelers who have tested positive during home quarantine period would be subjected to quarantine for 14 days and tested as per government protocol. The new guidelines will come into effect from December 1st, 2020. Thanks for watching. Let's expose.